gonna be a long ass fucking night. I mean, basically getting all the road rash and stuff off from being a race car to being a street car, show car. Oh my god, it's glued on, bro. Jesus. What's up, guys? Tay here with Street Proof Customs. We are back at y'all with another video. So today we're gonna be working on Ferrari, which been trying to break the damn wheel loose with the torque wrench, and it's not fucking working at all. So this is ready for 600 foot-pounds. The wheel should be you know, torqued down to 150, and we can't get it because it keeps spinning. So we went and got this gun. Only problem is we don't have the damn air connected to the gun. So now we might have to wait till tomorrow to do that. So hopefully we can get some progress done in this video with the Ferrari. I do have some work to do on the bumper, and I really need to take off the rear bumper. But in order to get the rear bumper off, I gotta remove the wheels. I'm gonna see how far I can get with doing this tonight. We are painting the whole car. We're just supposed to paint bits and pieces of it. So now we're painting the whole damn car. So this whole bumper is all carbon fiber. It's a real factory Ferrari race car. So my issue with this bumper is the customer wants us to take it a little back to the factory, which I understand why they painted this now. So on the factory, this is not supposed to be painted. They painted it more than likely because it got damaged. After, so we sanded it, and you know, you can see it looks good right here. So I'm trying to see if I can sand all this paint off to bring it back to the carbon. But the only issue is I see is when I look inside of here, it's a patch repair. So I got a patch repair right here. In order to bring this carbon back, I'm gonna have to sand it all down, and I think that might be Bondo and bodywork behind it. It ain't a great patch repair. It's just, you know, it's a race car. So at the time they were just repairing it just for looks, not so much of integrity, I guess. So with that being said, I'm gonna have to strip it. I'm hoping that we can save the carbon and give him that look he's looking for. But as you can see on that backside, that damage is like right here in this area. So yeah, you can see it's some shitty bodywork right there. So it's done right here in this area. So we're gonna have to strip that down, and I don't know. I think if anything, I'll do this carbon, and then I can just finish it off right here in black. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what we can do. But first things first, I'm gonna start stripping take all the stuff off the bumper. We are gonna refresh everything on the bumper. The grills are gonna be gloss black. This is gonna be matte black, and then we're gonna keep all this damage right here. I didn't even notice that crack. And we're gonna keep this stuff right here white. So it's gonna be like similar to the LaFerrari look. And then all this is gonna be black or carbon, depends on if I can save it or not. But yeah, we'll see. We're gonna start taking this thing apart. All this shit is gonna be white, and he wants this to stay carbon. We got everything detrimmed now, finally, 10 years later. I wonder how this emblem come out. Oh, it's just glue. Oh my god, it's glued on, bro. Jesus, that bitch is glued. I don't know if that bitch gonna come off. I might have to break it to get it off. Found some Bondo and fiberglass filler. It's only gonna look good if we keep like this carbon, or like overlaid this piece right here with fiberglass or carbon fiber, or we're gonna have to figure something out where we split it and just leave this like a black versus the carbon. I don't know. I'm trying to. I'll have to figure it out. It depends on what the customer want to do, because it's definitely gonna cost more to do overlay carbon fiber. But for now, I'm gonna just clean it off the best I can, just so I can kind of get an idea of where I am, and then hey, call the customer tomorrow and see what he wants to do. All right, guys. So, boom. We're gonna call it a day. Today we did a lot of stuff to the Ferrari. We found out that even though we got the impact to get the damn wheel off, even though I got the gun to take the wheel off, I don't have the connector, the air connector to, you know, connect to the air hose so we can get it off. So we didn't get the wheels off and get the calipers off like we thought we were going to do today. We were able to strip the paint off the bumper to reveal the carbon fiber. I still got to clean up, do around here. We also found out that we got a screwy situation right here with the carbon fiber repair, Bondo and fiberglass resin and stuff. So we're gonna have to probably do an overlay or something right here. We gotta figure it out. I'm gonna have to go to the drawing board tonight. We'll first get some sleep, go to the drawing board and come back to it. So we'll see what we come up with in the next video. Hopefully we can have this situation fixed, repaired, or maybe even figure something out. Now, who knows, we might do black and just say forget the carbon. But I really would like to do the carbon, so we'll see how it goes. Customers really thrilled that we got it as far as we have. But in the meantime, we still waiting on a headlight lens to come in, and we still gotta paint the whole car. I've been more focused on the carbon fiber stuff, which, man, the carbon fiber stuff has came out really good. This is like our first coat. As you can see, it's still kind of textured, a lot of orange peel and roughness looking. So we're gonna still wet sand this down, and we're gonna put 3 more coats of clear. And then we also are gonna refresh the middle of the carbon fiber wing, or the lip, the spoiler. We're gonna clear this, and then all of this is gonna be white on both sides. So still got a ways to go with the project. We are gonna be recording stuff in between time and stuff, but with that said, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, keep following us for more content. Thank you guys. Is this thing on? So guys, I want to give you guys a reminder, June 28th, we having our first annual car show. If it goes well, we'll probably make this an every year thing. Right now, we're just kind of testing the water, see how it goes. Hope to see you all there and come out, have some fun, eat some food, and, you know, listen to some music and hang out and chill with everybody. Get to know, see what all we do here and everything, you know, we worked on. It's 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Come out, bring the family, and just have a good time. Check out some cars, have fun, y'all. Peace.